You may have been wondering what I've been up to with this. Still no success there, but not been trying too hard, to be honest. This, on the other hand, has been a right pain. There we go. Now what I've tried is a method I've seen online, which is get a big bolt through it, a few washers and a nut. Tried a few washers that side, and the spring washers just deformed and chewed into the bolt itself. And I've just managed to budge this about something like a 1/16 of a turn by using a great big long extension bar. This has been soaking in penetrating oil for quite a while. The whole thing's been fighting me. These screws, you can barely see the evidence. I've had to grind them off and drill them out, all three. Everything that's screwed into the frame has rusted solid, but once I get that off and this out, then I'm on the right way. Then I'll probably need to replace the steering bearing cups. I'll have a look at those at some point, clean them with something first. Anything I can save money on will help. But I think I'm going to have to lay out on some paint and either do a Holt's rattle can job or splash out some money. Have to sell some and get some money and get it powder coated. That and the forks and the rear forks. But anyway, let's get this off. Just a bit more penetrating on it. Blimey, I shouldn't have stopped. Rock it backward and forward now it's moving. See if it loosens some of the rust and dirt in the threads. Keep topping up the penetrant oil. Get something from the other side of the bottom bracket too. Should be able to get it moving a bit now. Might be able to do it with just the yeah, should be able to do it with just the adjustable now. Having to go at this the other day, and I was going to go out, but by the time I came to get ready I was covered in so much oil, grease and dust trying to get this off. Went to a local trade factors to get the bolt. It's an M16 bolt, appropriate nuts and such like. Ooh, anyway. Told him what it was for, and he let us have them for notes, which was nice. think he was more interested in my tattoo on my hand than he were on selling a couple of quid's worth of nut and bolt, to be fair. There, it's out. Victory is mine. These are the wheels that I got with it. Just basic chrome rims. A little bit of rust here and there, but not bad really, considering their age. Sturmy Archer 4-speed hub. It says USA on it for some reason. And a serial number. Not sure you can quite make that out. Possibly there you can see it. This particular hub's 1965. Four-speed, and it's got the don't know if you can see it, got the chain down there as well with a little protector pipe on. And front, nothing special, again chrome steel rim. I think they're Dunlop rims these or something. See if I can find a name. Nope. I just missed out. There are a pair of 16-inch alloy rims on eBay. I missed out on those. I was going to get them for this project. Ah, there's a name. Dunlop, yeah. Not sure if you can make it out, possibly. Just about. 16 to 1 3/8. On the subject of wheels, oh, right in the dark recesses of the shed. There we go. Shimano hub brake, well, not hub brake, a roller brake, slightly different in how it works, but it's a brake that's on the hub, as opposed to a drum brake that Sturmy Archer use. Built onto a 26-inch double-walled alloy rim with a reasonable tyre on it as well. Hutchinson tyre, so no brilliant. Try not to damage anything. And that's a Shimano Pt4 4-speed hub, again with a roller brake. So yeah, these will make, if I find a nice 16-inch roadster frame, or possibly even a mountain bike frame, I could stick these on. I've got some nice forks for the front as well. So I'll have a look, see if I can do a bit of skip dipping or something, or find something somewhere. But that's another project for another day. I need to crack on with this Moulton.